that you tune back into another episode of EH404. It's your boy Big Doom. I got my fly ass, fat head ass co-host here with me.
Right, I'm back, y'all. Taylor Niece. Y'all know what's up. Birthday behavior.
Taylor Niece.
Yeah. Change your Instagram to Taylor.
Change
so what? Oh my god.
Like,
I
what's
did
up with
fuck
that?
it up on you.
Yeah, no cap.
Okay, I'm gonna switch it back. I'm gonna switch it back.
Anyways, boy, Don Dirk was Mr. Put That Shit On. He did. Me and this motherfucker. New episode.
Mr. Put That Shit On, you say?
Yes, sir.
Got the
No way.
Got the what's that thing? The cartoon.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know, I had to hit that motherfucker one time.
Got the cartoon.
Shit went hard.
But so today we right here talking about the cucumber behavior and this what it is, hot girl summer.
City girl summer, they all together.
Okay.
They all together.
Is that a part of that? So how y'all feel about this cucumber shit?
Alright, so me personally, you know, the cucumber shit, hey man, that shit funny as hell. It's wild. Motherfuckers getting disrespectful, calling them all type of hoes, your kids gonna see this, all that shit. Man, don't none of that shit matter, man. If you goddamn don't want to participate in it, that's cool. If you don't want to see it, unfollow the folk that doing it, man. Let them folk have their fun. Niggas do all type of challenges every day. You know what I'm saying? That shit don't got nothing to do with it. Ain't got nothing to do with you if you ain't doing it. So leave that shit alone. You ain't got to be under the comments, hating and all that extra shit. Like
the
let them folk do that shit. You know what I'm saying? Let them get their little clout.
The hate
you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure they getting booked somehow. I ain't saying for sure, but they getting booked somehow off of those videos. So let them folk do what they got to do.
And I don't post saying like, oh, y'all shouldn't be doing this or whatever. I let people do whatever they want to do. But
you knew that motherfucker was coming there. But
I mean, I wasn't enjoying looking at it from my point of view. I'm just looking like, okay, y'all supposed to keep that for the bedroom, for the who likes it. That's just how I feel.
I mean,
that's me.
If you wanna give a little teaser,
I mean, it's all
of what you got to offer, then go ahead. That's cool. That's cool. I ain't gonna care. Like, it's dumb.
You do
like,
look dumb.
You look dumb. But shit, I mean, it's cool.
It's
like, cause it's just for the followers, I guess. And, you know. But them be the same girls. As soon as a nigga DM a, hey baby, what's happening? I'm trying to link up with you. Oh, why you trying to be like a hoe? Damn, baby, I'm trying to see what you. I'm trying to get done like the cucumber, baby. That's all.
Hey, no cap, though. Hey, but look, they were saying that like the female that be under like them girl pictures and stuff, like videos, they niggas being
like the ones who be hated.
Don't catch your
nigga. The ones who be hated actually be the ones who be freaked out though. That be the crazy. See, that's what you gotta watch. The hoes that be, the ones that be hating on the girls that's posting it because they ain't got the confidence.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? But they really be the ones behind the scene getting, you know what I'm saying?
Shawty was like, man, half of y'all females under here niggas in my DMs right now after
so
that video.
So how do y'all feel about females commenting on it? What y'all think about that?
I mean, females, I ain't gonna say it's hating. They just, they women, they standing for something like, oh, woman power, you know, y'all making us look bad, city girls down 10, how can we ever get the lead back? Like, you know.
I thought women empowerment was doing whatever you want to do with your body.
I mean, women,
and the
not women empowerment, but they just saying like, you making us as a whole look bad. They just like, if your partner like aggravated flexing, like you don't want to hate on the nigga who's showing it, but you like, bro, you look lame as hell.
It's
like,
really you can't win, you can't.
Y'all don't think I get too much money, do you?
Like you can't win all this with this stuff.
Finna put a price on y'all.
You really can't.
Right.
That shit crazy.
Y'all don't think I get too much money. That shit funny as hell. That boy Drewski too funny. I ain't gonna tell.
Okay.
But yeah, man. So as you can see, like the cucumber shit, I feel like this shit don't. We all agree, but moving on, like. So what's going on with them folks on Twitter? Like some folks got that shit on Twitter.
Man,
they got my boy a little heated, frustrated.
I was trying not to turn into Twitter finger, but that shit be hard sometimes in the middle. You be like, man, this is just Twitter. You can't take that shit serious. But they was talking some dumb shit. So basically, this nigga I know from New Orleans, he's singing so Trouble. He got a new song that's kind of connected to the Cucumber Challenge. She a winner, and you know he's sampling a whole bunch of Soulja Slim shit. You know what I'm saying? Some New Orleans culture. R.I.P. that boy Soulja Slim.
You know.
And so I guess they've been seeing that video, and they just like, New Orleans influenced our culture, Atlanta culture. Like New Orleans directly influences Atlanta culture. Like we got them, like they sons us. You know what I'm saying? So
they funny as hell. Like,
what you think?
If anybody think that Atlanta is influenced by, I ain't gonna even care. Hold on, let me just say this from the start. Now, in 05 when Hurricane Katrina hit, I can't care. That's when Atlanta to me like turned all the way up. Like that's when gangs and shit started really popping off. Like, so New Orleans, they played a part on Atlanta culture just on like the Katrina shit. Like they came here, the city like came together. Like it just turned up after that. So I give them that. They came here after Katrina and it turned up, but they never influenced us. Everything we do is the Atlanta way. Like come on, man, like the swag, the lingo, the food. Different. Come on, man. We what it is, hot lemon pepper them folks, honey hot. Come on, man. That's 10p wing with the. Come on, that's Atlanta with the peach fruit punch lemonade mix.
Why for real?
I don't enjoy the 3 mix though, cause the peach get a little off sometimes. But the fruit punch lemonade mix, I do that. But we don't eat no fucking crab. I can't say that.
Juicy crab.
Because lately it has been a wave in the city where folks going crazy with this seafood. I never ate gumbo.
Crazy.
They don't influence us, bro. We are the influence. Folks look at us, look at Atlanta and like get their influence. But I can't say for sure like New Orleans, they getting their little shine, so they shouldn't even be mad at us. Like, cause you got who like NBA Youngboy,
they got
Kevin Gates,
But I guess it's just like they feel like, so from their perspective, because I got partners there, they just feel like folks from their own city don't really get on for real. Like even with Drake doing that Love Kiki, that's some bounce music type shit. Or that Child's Play or Ratchet Happy Birthday, all that shit. Like they feel like folks take their culture and blow up more with it instead of folks in their own city.
I mean, but
they got some hard folks. It ain't our fault that shit happened like that.
Isn't that just attest to how they are in their own city? Like, that's not the
That's not a
fault.
bad. No.
Like promoting the city, like showing the city love.
Exactly,
well, they don't feel like that. They want it. They're like they so close to their culture. They want to be like, nah, this only for us. Like you know what I'm saying? We want somebody to blow. You come here. You gonna blow.
That's why they try and try you about Atlanta culture. Like that's exactly.
It's really what it is, bro. Like if a New Orleans nigga made that song that Trouble made, bro, would it have did what it did?
Probably not.
But at the same time, that's not
nobody's fault. Hell no.
That's just the nigga he put the work in. Like nobody from the city would have probably ever thought, oh, let me do City Girls on a Soulja Slim song, and it's gonna be about shaking that ass. Woo, woo, woo.
Yeah, London. Yeah, even London on the Track did a song with City Girls, same New Orleans shit. Like he's from the city too.
That is Atlanta, because that's a strip club song. Who got the best strip clubs in the world? Atlanta.
Yeah, they can't take it. Yeah, no cap.
That's what that is, and then just him being around the QC wave, and then City Girls, they hot. Like he can make that link. Like okay, yeah, let me reach out to P or however it came about. Like
but it's not even like he didn't pay homage. He paid homage all the time.
Boy said, rest in peace to Soulja Slim. I would have had hoes for him. Like come on, man, he shot at the man out and everything. Like it's all good.
You gotta figure that shit out.
Exactly, like stop hating. Y'all get somebody to blow. Y'all ain't got nobody but Funny Mike. He lame in hell now. That shit over with. We got Drewski. Drewski too funny. You know what I'm saying? We got Dizzy Banks. You know what I'm saying? Atlanta the wave, bro. Like we the wave, bro. Ain't no can't do that with us. That's why them sorry nigga ain't doing that this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? No, we going all the way.
Y'all ain't taking the Twitter.
Rise up. What do back do? Yeah, y'all know what's going on. But speaking of New Orleans, I have been sitting on Twitter like niggas on Twitter do not take nothing serious, bro. Like, so y'all know New Orleans like started flooding a little bit. Them folks say, "Well, look how clean Bourbon Street is." I'm like, nigga, like they like, but they needed a little water. But I'm glad that made. I'm like, bro, niggas can't take nothing serious. But we definitely gonna pray for New Orleans. Make sure nobody get harmed. Hopefully the flooding stops. We don't need no more Katrina. No, I'm saying, I said hopefully.
Oh yeah, it's like another one. Yeah,
like hopefully that shit, cause we ain't got no more room for y'all niggas no more.
Hell no,
we not doing this. It's 2020 almost. You know what I'm saying? We're going into a new decade. We ain't bringing y'all niggas with us.
You ain't flew here.
If you ain't grew here, don't flew here. You know what I'm saying? But what you had for them folks, man?
Man, so we were having a discussion last week. You know what I'm saying? So basically, the question is, what do you got to do to quit your 9 to 5?
Or what do you have to have?
Yeah, what do you need? Like,
what is the essentials?
Necessities.
What is the necessities that these black brothers need
to be like,
quit their 9 to 5?
Fuck you, white man.
They gotta take what they know. They have to take what they know and use it.
Take what you know. Well,
knowledge they're gonna pay the bills off the gate, though.
But obviously not. That's not what it takes to quit your 9 to 5 is to get that shit going.
Yeah.
Like if you get your own shit going, yeah, keep your job. Make sure you got consistent, stable money to pay everything you need to pay. But on the side of that time, be working on something to do for you. Like what you can do. Take your talents and give them back to the world.
Yeah. This sounds like something a nigga mama would say. But
I'm just saying, like, if you make your own money, you don't gotta worry about nobody telling you what not to do.
That's cool. That's cool. That sounds good. That's why I do what I do on the side. You know what I'm saying?
Right. That's what you're supposed to do.
You gotta keep a little 9 to 5. That's the steady pay. You know.
Saying the goddamn.
Even though it be some bullshit.
No cap all the time.
Every time, especially when that motherfucker don't add up to what you thought.
Get looking at it.
I mean,
you gotta put that motherfucker to the light.
Think about being on the same side.
Is this camera on me? R. Kelly face like, god damn.
So how much would it take for you to like not work? Like if nigga be like, okay, you can get a certain amount of money right now. If
you signed and got this amount of money, what would it take?
Like how much money would that be for you to be straight?
To quit my job.
To quit your 9 to 5. How much of a lump sum would you get?
If y'all didn't know, Taylor has a exclusive 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying?
It would take me.
After dark.
Quit it. It's gonna take. I probably need a meal up front.
Jeez.
Or half a meal. I need 500. Half a meal. To quit my job. I got it. But I'm saying, listen.
No, we ain't tripping on that.
I'm saying I need that because I'm already trying to on a job. I just went to school. I'm on a job. I need to be making 6 figures easy. With that being said, for me to keep going, like.
So you gonna make it happen with that lump sum of $500,000?
To quit my job and then give back, like to build me something myself.
What can you do to get $500,000? Like what do you think could happen right now? I'm saying
somebody you can get
what could happen right now? Could you get in a car accident and like get $500,000?
You get hit by like a Walmart.
Yes, you can. They be promoting that shit on the radio.
Slip and fall. Oh, you see my?
They be promoting that shit on the radio.
911 pain. 411 pain.
Damn, you ain't heard. He'd be like, yeah.
How do you get in an accident? How do you call 911 down 411?
411 pain. So that be catchy.
That's what they
be
on.
Be coming out all type of routes now with
That's
shit.
exactly what they be on. But I'm saying, like, for me to be like able to just quit and not go back.
You need that much.
Half a meal.
What about you, Ted?
Because you can get knocked out quick.
She set the bar kind of high.
Now you don't want to say what you gonna say.
No, shit, I'm saying, you know me, shit, little 20 right now. If I had 20 right now, I'd quit.
You quit your job for 20?
Man, cause I already know what I'm gonna do with my 20. Like, I already know. I already got the vision.
How do you know that the next step is gonna be guaranteed? How do you know that that shit's not gonna breeze through and then you gotta go back and get a 9 to 5?
Shit, the way my job set up, I don't know my job guarantee. So 20K look good to me right now. Shit, 5K look good to me. I ain't saying I quit for 5K, but that shit look good to me. Like a job is never guaranteed.
Yeah, nah.
Them folks, I can go to work tomorrow, and them folks will be like, "Hey man, Boys and Girls Club shut down. Shit, you out of a job." I'm gonna be like, shit, alright, long as that last check coming, ain't it? Alright, cool.
But I'm saying though,
So what you gonna do with your 20?
Shit, I mean, like if I had 20 right now, shit, I just invest in me. Like investing in this, like Air Hustlin 404, more promo. Gotta spend money to make money, so niggas already know how they go. Probably put a little 10 into the bills, you know.
Pay
that up. Then once you pay some up to get ahead and living a little bit, then you just gotta focus on how to keep it going. So I feel like I'm good at that. I know how to make money. Hustle.
I'm keeping my job.
Hustle is in me now.
I'm going in there like I ain't even got no money. What's up? Where's my paycheck?
See, so what it'll take for you? Shit. I already know what it'll take for you.
Now, you talking about be done now.
Okay, you'll right now.
Just a quick.
That's because he up, y'all. Like that's why he always talking about fly shit, putting that shit on. Like, bruh, go to the West End Mall and buy 3 pair of shoes.
Because I be flicking shoes, man. Like I do that shit. Like
they do have the special at the West End. If y'all didn't know, the 3 for $150, motherfucker.
I'll never get no damn 3 for $150.
The 3 for $150. That's a full ass shoe.
Stop playing on my mall, bro. We got all this exclusive shit in that motherfucker. Go catch your flight with Don episode. You'll see that motherfucker. All the exclusive drip in that motherfucker.
Exclusive what? Everything in that motherfucker I seen before. Last year. They got the same shit from they never changed their shoes for season. Like you go to like Cumberland, Lenox, that shit always updated. You go to West End, them motherfuckers
the same shoes.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not going to West End. I'm gonna
Nah, I ain't gonna care. I'm gonna go to the West End, like especially like if it's a rush. Like if I'm in a rush to like go somewhere or something, and I need to grab some. I go in the West End because I know like
I'm doing it. I walk in that motherfucker on the daily just to even just walk through. You know what I'm saying? Not even necessarily shop. You know what I'm saying? Like
this is your area, though.
Hell yeah, you know what I'm saying? Shout out that boy Marvin, man. That boy just turned 28. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, he gets it real right all the way in the corner. Yeah, but yeah, that boy official.
So what did it take for you?
Just 50. Quit 50. I think I can flip 50 into something.
See, I was gonna say 50, but I know for sure, bro. 20 right now, bro. I know how to flip that shit, bro. Like,
yeah.
And not even on no drugs, cause you know every nigga say, yo, when I get the sack bar, I'm finna go get a couple pounds. But let the trap know I got a bad bucket. Nigga, I always
said the plug said
the pack in, boy. I ran off on the plug twice.
Stupid.
Twice. Ran off on them twice. I ain't calling them back. But shit. So like, you just gotta know how to make money with
that's all it is.
That's all it is.
Shit, a Subway don't take nothing but 15,000 to get started.
And really, like my ultimate goal, like I want to open up a little spot where everybody can come have fun, turn up at it, motherfucker, eat good, have a good time, smoke your weed, smoke your hookah, cause all that extra shit that you be on, y'all just be on all them other drugs. No other drugs. If we pay you down for dope at the dope shop, you ain't coming here with no dope, bro. If you want to pop your perk, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? But that other shit with
pop that shit before you get in.
I was just saying, you can't pocket too many of them. You can't have too many of them trying.
Hey man, get us a little spot. We can host. We can always host our own shit. Throw our own events. Always make the money right back. That's my goal. Like, so I know for sure that shit. And then when folks see that, nigga be like, okay, shit, if Brooklyn run this spot, he can help you run this club. And then you know it get bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay. Club owners, they be catching hell though. I ain't gonna care. Like you take losses sometimes, but if you strike, exactly. But when you strike, I know a club owner can make like $1 million in a night. Like just imagine when back them did the no cap party.
That's different though.
Yeah, those type of parties. But you got
you gotta build to that shit.
Right, you gotta.
That's what I'm saying. Eventually, like, if I get that big, I got niggas I got niggas like Bank or niggas that we know that end up blowing, and then okay, shit, we finna go to Doom spot. We gonna turn it, bitch. Hey man, that's just off the face card.
That motherfucker in here, yeah.
Exactly. So it's all about if you got the dream, shit.
You turn that dream.
And you got the team. You know what I'm saying? We can get this green, you feel me? You feel me?
So, what's some new music y'all been fucking with this week? I know the playlist up.
Y'all already know what I'm
saying. Got the playlist up.
I ain't gonna care. Like, I still just be listening to the same old, for real. But the 100 Shooters with Future and Meek dropped them motherfucker hard, and Dope Boy for sure. I know you be want to say that why I fan Lucci, but
Yeah, that shit hard.
It was
boy.
nice.
That shit hard.
I mean,
It was alright.
it's
That shit
cool. It's cool. Like, it's okay, bro. But
I think it's better than
it's not hard enough for a gangster grill,
You
bro.
crazy? That shit hard.
Come on now, man.
For a gangster grill,
When
that
we
shit
speak
hard.
on gangster grills,
Bro.
I got a few. I got a few that I really fuck with. So I'm like, it's alright.
Yeah. I fuck with K-Camp shit. K-Camp shit decent. You got a couple
Y'all like
on that.
DJ Muscle stuff?
Oh yeah,
DJ
Mustard shit
hard.
hard.
album of the
So,
year.
Nah, and I wouldn't stop saying that.
Oh no,
They
y'all
like to
know
throw that shit out.
I'm a forever listen to this, so y'all know.
Yeah, that shit hard.
Y'all know who got the album of the year already. Locked up.
Don't say DJ Khaled.
Locked up. Bro. When we speak on gangster girls, you have tapes like The Dedication 2, Dream Chasers, goddamn,
Right, yeah, I understand that.
Thug Motivation, The Leak, Dream, like, that's 650 Loops not on there, bro.
It is, bro. I think it is.
What?
I listen to that shit
Where?
enough, bro. You ain't listening to it
I don't
enough. You
really
just
know.
said you ain't even putting that in the playlist for real, like, so you ain't listening. You
I
only heard
listened
it
to
once.
it the first week straight.
Bro, at least
Every
bro,
day.
That motherfucker at least.
We trap or
80%
die,
from the free throw with that
nigga. Come
shit.
on, bro. Trap or Die, Dedication 2. I don't know who Freddie Gibbs is. I ain't never heard this.
Goddamn.
Dream Chasers 2.
I don't really
Come
know
on,
that.
bro.
Yeah.
Gangsta Grill, come on. Lucci not even fucking with Chris Brown
That's
in my
crazy.
zone.
Wait a minute, y'all.
Lil Boosie, Streets is mine. That's Gangsta Grill, bro. Like, T.I. Delete, Gangsta Grill.
Y'all get in the comments and let us know. So,
Niggas know.
we are at Hustlin 404. Your boy Don
The
Draco
podcast.
put that shit on.
You did, and if y'all wondering why I was goddamn wiping so much, it's like 106 degrees in there, motherfucker. No cap. See my arm
It is
glistening.
hot,
I ain't put
it
no
is
lotion
wet
on
out.
it. Yeah, I ain't put no lotion on today, so when
on,
you
but
see
that's-
me, just know, I drank a lot of water, so the perspiration, you know what I'm saying, coming out. You know what I'm saying?
Oh
But,
my
it keep the
goodness.
skin moist. You're like, hey, baby, you see how I'm looking over there?
And make
I
sure
look
y'all
like
subscribe
that.
to the channel,
Hey.
man. That's what we're talking about.
Hey,
Subscribe to the
I look
channel,
like
man.
babe.
You know, Anchor, Apple Podcasts.
Goddamn,
Goddamn.
my outfit
on
look
all
like
that shit.
goddamn.
Air Hustling 404.
It Hustling 404, you
Yeah.
did. It's your boy Big Doom.